Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network here in Melbourne. We've just listed share registry provider Registry Direct is CEO Steuart Roe. Hi Steuart, congratulations and welcome back.
Thanks Jessica, thanks for having me.
So first up, tell us what price you listed at and what price that puts on the company.
Yeah, well, we've just come on board. The first traded price was 19.5 cents. That values the company at approximately $16 million.
And Steuart, can you just remind us where will the funds be going and what's the strategy?
Sure. There's three core purposes for our funds. The first is to expand our profile to attract clients at an ever-increasing rate. Secondly, we want to, in order to be able to service those clients, we're going to be taking on staff so that we have the capacity to service those clients. And finally, we want to use the balance of the funds to further develop our product range with additional services for our clients.
And for new investors, can you just tell us what you do that's so unique and how you differ from your competitors?
Yeah, so what differentiates us from the likes of Computershare and Link Market Services is that we provide our software as a service for any company to be able to use. So not just listed companies, but you could have a startup company or an existing public unlisted companies and provide to your investors the same sort of technology and capability that a full service ASX listed company receives, even though you might be a very small company.
And Steuart, can you talk to us about your marketing strategy?
What we want to be doing, while we're happy to take on clients one at a time, we really want to be deploying a channel marketing approach where we market to legal firms and accountancy practices, where by making one sale to one group, we can take on many sales. So a good example of that recently is we just took on a single accountancy practice. That single accountancy practice is giving us 650 clients. So that's how we really want to develop and accelerate our client acquisition.
And Steuart, what are your key client segments?
There are three core client segments that we have. We service listed companies and trusts in the same way a Computershare or Link Market Services does. Secondly, we service unlisted companies and trusts. And finally, we service employee share schemes.
Last question now, Steuart. Can you tell us what are your key milestones for the next 12 months and what's the business's long-term ambition?
So the key milestones for us over the next 12 months is to take on between 1,000 and 2,000 paying companies for our software as a service / SaaS product. In addition to that, we want to be doubling the number of listed and unlisted trusts that we currently manage on the Australian Stock Exchange. And in respect of the long-term goals of the company, we want to become a significant player both in the private markets and the public markets in the share registry space, but not just in Australia, but also globally.
Well, Steuart, congratulations again on the listing and good luck with the rest of the financial year.
Well, thanks, Jessica, and thanks again for having me on.